See? He is pleased. What is witchcraft?
Oh no! You're allergic to cats! Dexter, no! Get off her! Get off! At once!
Wait! Don't call anyone! And I'm not allowed back on the ribbon dancing circuit until I put a note from the Center for Disease Control. Gesundheit.
Huh? What? Who are you talking to?
So can we please?
Do Yumi's magic sneeze.
But how did it go to Yumi's sneeze? Well, I put it to the strain.
Gesundheit!
Look!